In this video, I will be showing you how to turn off Windows Copilot on Windows 11. Let's get started. Here we are on the main Windows desktop. First, I go down to the taskbar located at the very bottom of the screen and click on the search icon. To find what I need, I use my voice command to search for settings, rather than typing it out on the keyboard. Once the Settings app appears right at the top under the Best Match section, I simply click on it to open the main Settings window. Now that the Settings window is open in front of us, I navigate over to the left-hand menu panel. From this list of system categories, I click on Apps. On the right side of the screen, the Apps Settings page loads up. I scroll all the way down to the bottom of this menu and click on the Startup option. This opens a dedicated list of applications that are currently configured to start automatically whenever I log in to my computer. Since I want to prevent Copilot from running in the background at startup, I scroll down through this list of programs until I locate Copilot. Once I find it, I move my cursor over to the right and click the toggle switch, changing it from the blue on position to off. With that step complete, there is one more setting I need to adjust. I move my mouse back over to the left-hand menu panel and this time, I click on Personalization. The personalization options now appear on the right side of the window. I scroll down through these settings and select the taskbar option to manage my system tray preferences. Here, I look for the section labeled Other System Tray Icons and click on it to expand the menu. This reveals a detailed list of hidden icons that can appear in the bottom right corner of the screen. I scroll down carefully through this list of background applications until I spot Copilot once again. Finally, I click the toggle switch right next to Copilot to turn it off here as well, completely hiding it from my system tray. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick tips and tutorials.